Spencer Topham Hatt wants you to take his heavy goods train. For a heavy goods train, this certainly feels very light. Maybe green makes you stronger. Strong and green like Henry. That's me. Maybe you should be repainted green, Rosie. Then you'll be as strong as me and Henry.
Or maybe you should stop showing off before you have another crash.
Yay! Look out, Edward! Oh, no! This is too much. Not another bad dream. Oh. Here's James!
Ah, James, I'm so glad Sir Topham let us borrow you while Spencer is on loan.
Oh, I see you've gotten your silver paint polished. Very smart.
Silver? Oh, yes! This is what I call looking splendid! Woohoo! Don't I look marvelous?
Stop showing off!
James, it's getting quite jumpy back here.
Sorry about that.
If you keep showing off, James, you'll have another crash. Another crash. Another crash.
Another crash.
Another crash.
Another crash.
Another crash!
Another crash.
Another crash! Go on! Crash!
No. I really don't want to crash again. Oh, no. Oh, brown, purple, yellow, green, orange.
James!
Please, sir, I'm sorry about showing off yesterday. I don't care if you paint me blue or green or silver, so long as I can be really useful again, sir.
Yes, James. I did tell you a long time ago that if you misbehaved again, I would have you painted blue. However, I can see that you're sorry, and I think it's only right to have you painted in a color that suits you best.
Oh. Hello, Thomas.
Oh, hello, James. Good to see you back on the line again. All repaired and repainted, too.
I'm not going to say a word about my paintwork today.
Really?
It doesn't matter what color I am. It's what I do to be really useful that matters.
Who told you that?
Why, you did, Thomas. In a dream. Mind you, I bet my shiny red paintwork does look splendid again.